Hello, hello, hello. Malachar Night Raven. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another review. Today I'm looking at the Age of the Primes Wreck and Doom Collection Sandstorm versus Slugslinger. And this is an Amazon exclusive. Well, you could also get it from Hasbro Pulse, but mainly an Amazon exclusive. So basically what we've got is Slugslinger from Titan's Return, new paint. And we've got Sandstorm from Legacy United, new head, a little bit of new paint, not much. But let's get into it. And first, as usual, take a look at the packaging. And it is our Wreck and Doom collection packaging. Whoop. I am bouncing you around, and I apologize about that. But here you can see Sandstorm and Slugslinger going at it. Very nice artwork. Age of the Prime, the Wreck and Doom collection, Sandstorm versus Slugslinger. On the top, there you can see that same image just up close. On this side, same image of Sandstorm. On this side, same image of Slugslinger. On the bottom, our barcode, a whole bunch of words and things. And on the back, our product shots. And of course, even though Slugslinger is a Target Master originally, he's a Titan Master in this, and there's Caliburst, who's supposed to be his Target Master. It's fine for now. I really do want a Slugslinger that fits in with having an actual Target Master. Maybe we'll see that again in like another 10 years. And then here you can see Sandstorm. See different head. So that is it for the box. And I think we'll start with Sandstorm. So I have already done a review of the original Sandstorm, the Legacy United, showing the transformation. So I'm not going to show the transformation here. I'm just going to show the figure itself. But here, you can see I've got his accessories already mounted. It's the exact same as the Legacy United one. Just this is black instead of gray. That's black instead of gray. Same thing with this little gun. Yeah. Still pretty much the same coloration, actually, here. You can see there's the Legacy United and the new one. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take the head off of this one and put it on this one because the grays match with the cartoon more, so do the different oranges. I like the way that looks, so that's my plan. But here you can see it's all pretty much the same. Well, it is all the same except some slight color differences, and that's really it. And yeah, so get him out of the way, and yeah, again, there's not much difference, but get them into the helicopter mode, so I will be right back. All right, and here he is in his copter mode. So again, very, very cool. Colors aren't bad. You know, it's a little slightly better orange in a way. Here you can see he's got the Wreckers insignia right here. So that way you know he's one of the Wreckers. So still very cool. I do kind of like that. And here he is with Legacy United version, which unfortunately with this new version I'm having an issue with getting this to stay where it needs to. I don't know if maybe there's just something I've got mistransformed. I got it fine on that one. This one, I don't know. It's like odd. Everything else is lining up, and this piece, almost like something's bent out of shape, which could be mold degradation, could be something. Yeah, it's quite possible. Now I get this plugged back in. There we go. So yeah, I mean, you see the way that that's like all sitting compared to this one. Like I don't know what's going on here. It's holding it up. I'm almost wondering. I wonder if you could. Maybe I haven't mistransformed. So I wonder if we go like this with it, or like this with it, and plugged back in correctly, or tapped back in. So that's part of this problem. This you gotta have it aimed perfectly. There we go. Yeah. No, I think it might just be something like the plastic is a bent out of shape. Just what it seems like to me. Something seems bent out of shape, or something seems misaligned, and that's it's really a bummer because this I do like this mold. Well, maybe I got it. Did I? Maybe I found it. Yeah. I personally I like this mold. I think it works very well. Yeah. See the way that's doing that. I don't know. Something seems off in my opinion. Something just seems off. Maybe doing the best I can with it. That's good. All right. Got it as best as I could. But yeah, here you can see the difference in the oranges. I hope. Yeah, there you go. And I think this orange works better, which is why I'm going to swap the head. The heads around this, the one with the more toy or the toy style head will go on the Wrecker Sandstorm, and it'll be on a different shelf with my other Wreckers. Um, but yeah, that's that's my plan. What I'm going to do. So yeah, and then everything can go back on him. You can tab it all wherever you wish. I mean, just like the original, you can carry this. Um, Same thing, and here you can see the differences then. The little guns, black one comes with him, gray one with him, and then the difference here. Yeah, so could be worse, could be better. Definitely could be better, but still, it's a it's a good version of Sandstorm. I do like it. It's why I went in on a second time, especially with that cartoon accurate head. Definitely had to go for that. So now I'll get him into robot mode and be right back. All right, here he is in robot mode. Take a quick look up close at that head. Get him in a much better standing position. There you can see, very cartoon style head. Looks much better. Silver face, blue eyes, and very cool. All those same colors. I'm not really going to go over the articulation because it's the exact same articulation as the original. There's nothing different. You know, the head is a little difficult. I will point out one thing I do have difficulty with is the tabs here that tab the chest into the rest of it are kind of a pain. Like, they don't always want to stay in. So do watch out for that. Here is Legacy United version. In a more decent standing position. Coming in close, you can see the differences on those heads. I mean, this is the Legacy United head. See how that is, how this is. And of course, arm them up. So we'll give him his stuff. Give him his stuff. And yeah, there you go. So that's pretty much the difference with Sandstorm. So get him out of the way, and we'll bring in Slugslinger. And said, I haven't had this mold before, so this was my first time going over it, so I will show the transformation. But yeah, it's it's very inspired by the original, the G1. Again, main thing that we're missing is his target master, but he's got a headmaster, so there's that. Got a Decepticon symbol here with the Doom Patrol or Doom and Destruction symbol there. Nice little bits or tampos there and there. I think this is based on the colors and style of the toy, the original toy, than it is of the cartoon. So there's that as well. Still, it'll be a nice little stand-in for me for Decepticon Target Master. But yeah, comparison, show him off. Studio Series Jazz, see the size difference there. And of course, open this up, and there's Caliburst sitting in there. And it's our typical Titan Master articulation. The head's on a ball joint, moves, the arms move back and forth. Got articulation here and here, the face on the back. Little tiny face in the front. You can see it. Let's try a little extra light here. There we go. Hopefully you can see that. We'll set that off to the side, close this back up. the weapons, which combine into one singular weapon. It's right here, just going right there. Yeah, some blue uh, translucent plastic right here. I almost said transparent. Sorry, Emgo. Again, very cool. It is a really decent mold for Slugslinger. I just really wish that we would have gotten something a little more proper. Um, he's got to be just a target master, and that's it. Oh well. So what we'll do, we'll for transforming him, untab these pieces back here, untab them from here, just get them out of the way. Then we can bring the legs around, bring them around all the way, and then close this up. Make sure it goes in all the way. Separate it, and it's just really these two tabs, or this one singular tab. Rotate the feet around, which will bring us the heels as well, and make sure that. And then want to do, bring these back and out of the way, bring these up, bring this back, and this is going to come down sort of soft throop like that, and then it'll come down and just sort of sit right there. Bring the arms up, tab them in, arm up, tab it in, bring fists out, get those wings wherever you want them, and get the fist out. And now he's just a headless body. We'll transform our Titan Master, Headmaster, like we always do. And as usual, just plugs in right there, and there's Slugslinger in his robot mode. And he looks the part. Again, the colors are going more off the toy, especially with the tampos. I would have really preferred that light blue like the cartoon had. Having an issue with that wanting to stay in. So, yeah, but we'll take a look at his head. Very Slugslinger style head. Looks really good. Those red eyes, silver face. Again, some more tampos here. Septicon symbol there with the silver. It's not bad. There's those tampos as well. Gray head, feet. It's not bad. Articulation, head can rotate, look up and down a little bit, wiggle a little bit, and that's due to it being on the Titan Master's head for the ball joint. Arm comes out that far. Full rotation. Bicep swivel. Over 90 for the elbow. Nothing at the wrist except for that in and out. We've got waist, so always happy to see that. Legs, kick forward that far. Kick back, that far. And we've got full Van Dam. Thigh rotation, over 90 for the knee. Always happy to see that. The foot can move up and down, and there is no ankle pivot. It's got that slope, like a lot of the Prime Trilogy figures had. A good portion. Oh, I didn't collect all of the Prime Trilogy figures, so I only got like a few from Titan's Return. I only got a couple from Combiner Wars, and I only got so many from Power of the Primes. It's just I wasn't my collection or collecting had sort of died down a little bit. They didn't appeal to me. They weren't enough of a like G1 style for my shelves. So what they're doing now, I do like. But yeah, and then we can give them as weapons. You can give them to them separately, or what I do. I think a few others do. Just combine it into one gun, and there he goes. And for comparison, there he is with Sunstreaker. You can see a little bit taller than Sunstreaker at the head. And of course, with his package mate, Sandstorm. Sandstorm's got a good head taller on him, maybe more. So yeah. So that is the Sandstorm versus Slugslinger Wreck and Doom collection. I don't think we're getting. I think that's the last Amazon exclusive for this year's. Which I'm not surprised. I think we've only. I think like last year it was only like 3 as well. Um, it's only been certain years where we've gotten like 4 or 5 sets, or like, still not bad. Do I recommend it? Depends. If you already have the Titans Return Slugslinger and the Legacy United Sandstorm, and you're fine with the toy style head, or maybe you went for the Akai Studios head for your Legacy United, you don't need it. If you missed out on both characters and you wanted to have them both, then yeah, definitely grab it. It's great addition to the collection. Um, but other than that, I mean, you know, it's figures we've seen before. And getting that good amount lately would be, I prefer more new figures and a whole bunch of repaints or slight remolds. Like if you're gonna remold, give us a big remold. I am looking forward to what we got coming up with Age of the Primes. So that is going to be it for me. As always, I want to say thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow my Patreon. I'll see you all later.